Hello everyone and welcome back. No, you haven't done this in a week and you already screwed up. Hello loves and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be, well, not using for the first time because this is going to be my second look with it, but I'm going to be using the new Riviera palette. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their latest palette, and these colors in here are just so dreamy. Let me try not to flash you. There we go, maybe like this. Oh yes, see everything. But I used this once on Friday a couple days ago when I was kind of feeling better because I've been sick since last week. I don't know what the heck. I was getting better. You ever see things just fly in the air? Yeah, that's what was happening. But I was getting better, and all of a sudden I woke up on Sunday and I felt like horrible. Let's just say that. I just felt real horrible. But I'm finally gonna film this today and include this look with my Fab Tuesdays with Jen. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know I've been doing this. This is my second Tuesday, and I started it on a Tuesday that I was sick too. So go figure. But if you guys want to check that out, go ahead and check out my Instagram so you can see I have a lot more followers over there than I have here because I started that 3 years ago, and here I started it like 8 months ago. I really like first uploaded one video I think sometime in January or February of last year, but I really started to upload and dedicate myself to it around August. It helps to keep your mind occupied when you're going through so much. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I already prepped my face with everything else, which if you want to know what I use, is gonna be down below. But I'm just gonna go ahead and go straight into the look. Like always, I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward it through because I don't want this to be super long in case you all have things to do, but you want to see what I did. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with this. I dirtied my palette. How did that happen? I try everything not to dirty these guys. Who's the culprit? They were over there. One of you did this to me because you don't like the new edition. Just kidding. Never just do that. I do all the time. So if you don't, I guess I'm just crazy by myself. It's okay. So let's go ahead and get started with this.
Struggling and nothing seems right. Just let go of everything that hurt you and reach out for everything that's in you. And for the light, we sail until the storm is over and everything is alright. But today we'll just keep dancing in the rain. Through the night, each day, each fight, your dreams are crumbling and nothing feels right. Just break out from everything that binds you and have faith in everything inside you. And for the light, we sail until the storm is over and everything is alright. But today we'll just keep dancing in the rain. Dancing in the rain.
so here is the finished look. That was quite fun. I finished off my I put liner on, and I went ahead and put on these Shayna B lashes. This is Flirty. I love them because you can tell they're there, but they look more natural than they look you know, all in your face. I also used the Anastasia highlighter, and in my inner line I used the Jeffree Stars this is the parts, and I also lined my lips with it. This is a lip liner, but has been used as an eyeliner, has worked. After I placed it though, I did go in with Cane's, is it called? Bahamas with a little brush and just dabbed on top without getting it in my eye. It actually helps to make it pop a little bit more. Did my upper my lower brown line with SEYCHELLES, which is the white color in the palette, and then I put a little bit of the Anastasia highlighter over the right here on these little areas. I don't know, I can't speak today. I've been sick and my words have been like gone, just crazy. But oh, on my lips, let's not forget, I got these little minis from SMASHBOX. This one is spoiler alert, and I was like, this is perfect color because it's an in-between of a purple and a pink. And I almost went over it with this JEFFREE matte. This one is First Kiss. JEFFREE was a brand that my mom used to sell growing up, but they are an amazing brand. If you guys have never tried them, you're going to hear me talking about them. No, I'm not selling them. I just want to give away, and I have all their skincare and a lot of their makeup products, and I want to talk about it. But I've been trying to finish off some other things before I start, because when I start skincare, I like to stick with it for more than 2 weeks to really see, you know, what's going on. So, but anyways, let's go back to this beautiful palette. Let me tell you, I have seen people talk about it. Anastasia Beverly Hills is known for fallout and stuff, but I think when you figure out the little tricks and tips for it, it does not have much fallout. One thing I do recommend when you're dipping into these palettes is that you dip lightly, because they are very pigmented, so there's no point to like stab it in. Dip lightly, and then obviously, you know, knock off the excess wherever, you know, here, even on your head, it doesn't matter. But I noticed that doing that, I don't have much fallout, and I really didn't. The only color that I saw a little bit right here was, oh my goodness, Seychelles, which is this beautiful like greenish, well, I'm gonna stick with greenish. It's like a green blue. It's beautiful. It's like a teal color. There we go. That was the only one, and it was so little bit. But like when I use shimmers, I tend to dab. So all these colors I tend to dab, and then I will smooth out. The biggest thing I tell you when you are using shadows is to blend. I mean, blend. I went over these colors so many times, but it's just, I'm a perfectionist, and even then it's not perfect. So I don't know why I drive myself nuts, but overall, love this palette. This is the second time using it. I used probably one different color than I used last Friday. I really want to dab into the other colors, but when I tell my brain to start thinking like what would go great, it just doesn't function sometimes. I did use like the brown color at the end to darken the purple, so that way it would be a little darker, and it did work. So you could try that out. Always use like a darker color and go over it with the color that you want, and it will darken it up. So I love it, guys. If you have not tried this palette or anything from Anastasia, I mean, I have most of their palettes. I'm probably missing 2, which I want to get, but I'm like, no, stop it. But I love it. I love it. I had no problems with fallout. I had no problems with blending. It worked perfectly, and I bought this myself, so this wasn't gifted. This wasn't no PR. This is me spending my hard-earned money. And obviously I'm going to tell you the truth. Even if I don't spend my hard-earned money, I'm still going to tell you the truth, because I don't want you spending your hard-earned money. But even with that, I always say to everyone, you need to try things for yourself because all our skins are different. Oh, what might work for me might not work for you. Or first, it might work for you. What doesn't work for me? Did I say that right? I think I might have repeated myself. Who knows? I'm not feeling good. Let's just go with that. But this is the look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please, any questions that you may have, go ahead and pop them below. I will go ahead and put in the description box which colors I use, even though I pointed them out. That way you know them by name in case you want to recreate it. Other than that, please don't forget to hit like, and please don't forget to hit the little subscription button and hit the subscription button and hit the notification bell so that way you're notified when I upload again. Other than that, I hope you all having a fantastic day. Trying to figure out and make sure that I didn't forget anything. I was supposed to do a look with the LA Girls Cosmetics, but I'm gonna save that for tomorrow because I need the foundation. So I wasn't sure if they were gonna send it in with their PR, so I kind of did not buy it when I was at Ulta last week, but I'm gonna head real quick and get it so I can go ahead and do it for tomorrow. Other than that, I hope you all have a great rest of your day, week, weekend, whatever time it is of the week. So y'all take care, please. Stay positive. That's something that I always try to inspire every morning on Instagram. I put out a little quote. Not only does it help me, but it helps a lot of other people because we all are going through so many different things that it's good to like hear positive. And I always say that in every negative there is a positive, so don't lose hope. Just keep hope alive. You all take care. We all live in a yellow submarine, a yellow submarine, a yellow submarine. Oh yeah, you really need a buddy. You are losing your mind. Losing. Oops. This is the face you make when you realize that your closing was 7 minutes long. I talk too much. But how are you supposed to know me if I don't talk too much, right? That's my excuse and I'm sticking with it.